M-I-L-K, M-I-L-K, M-I-L-K.
Hey guys, thank you so much for staying tuned to the Broke But Beautiful YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be back talking to you guys. And of course today, it is going to be the update on this wig that I got from AliExpress. The vendor is called Slove Rosa. So we're definitely going to go in depth about the luster, the length, the quality, exactly what I think about, you know, the maintenance of the hair and all of that. So let's get right on into it. Okay, so first things first, let's talk about this luster though. Anyway, what can you tell me right now about this luster? Nothing, because I'm popping with this luster, okay? Can we talk about this lace? Want to see a video as to how I got the lace to look this good, then please comment down below and let me know. I would be glad to put out a video showing how I got the lace to look this good. But let's go ahead and jump right back on into the hair. So I did get 24 inches. If you guys did not see the unboxing of this hair, it was 24 inches. It is a full wig. It is not a full lace wig. There is a lace, there's lace in the front and there's a little bit of lace to the back of the hair, which is completely fine with me. To be honest, I have not even, you know, stuck the back down because don't nobody got no time for that, okay? I just want to pop the wig on my head, put this down, and call it a day. And that's exactly what I did, okay? So, that's that. Let's go ahead and talk about the curl pattern. So, I love this curl pattern. This curl pattern is so pretty, okay? Like, it is so pretty. I'm really feeling myself, and I've been feeling myself for the past couple of days, so I'm not even gonna lie to you. I think you guys should basically see that I'm starting off with the pros, right? So that's what we're gonna jump straight on into. So the luster of the hair is perfect. It doesn't look too fake. It doesn't look, you know, too dry. So in that situation, yeah, it's completely, it's perfect. Look at that. Perfect. Now in regards to the length, it is true to length. I'm not gonna lie, I did do a little bit of trimming, but then again, it really doesn't make a difference for me because I am short. I'm only 5'2". It still cuts me pretty long for 24 inches. It was just a tad bit, I probably took off like an inch. Really, it was just to shape the hair, if anything. In reference to that, yes, I like where it's at right now, especially in regards to the length. It's giving me some inches and I appreciate it. Let's go ahead and talk about tangling. So tangling with this hair, I want to say I get snags. I don't get tangling. I get more snags. I can go ahead and talk about the cons after because I do have to bring up something. But anyway, in regards to, you know, tangling, no. Like, I'm running my hands through it and I don't really have tangles. When I put the comb through it, it's curly hair. Like, it's expected to kind of snag a little bit, but it's nothing that I have to go in depth about and kind of like sit through and comb out. You know, if you're looking for that with curly hair, if you're looking for just straight, like just your fingers going through it 24/7 straight like that, I don't know what kind of hair you got, but put me on, babe. Put me on, okay? This hair does get big. It gets big very fast. So in other words, it dries really fast. So let's go ahead and go into the cons. We're gonna go into the cons for this. So this hair does have some cons to it, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like if it's high maintenance, which for me it's okay, like I don't mind going through it every day and kind of, you know, making sure that the hair is maintained and looking good, but it does require maintenance. I would say it's a little bit high maintenance. I would say always keep your hair moisturized. Make sure you put products in it. It depends on the type of products. It's not going to agree with certain products, and I honestly can say that because I'm gonna tell you what happened. It depends on the type of product that you're using in it as well. But this hair does get dry pretty fast. Like, I just sprayed this hair down and look at this already. Like, it dries so quick. Within 30 minutes my hair is about to be a whole dry, and I need to stop touching it because I don't want it to get any bigger. So it does get big. That is a pro and a con for me because I like the hair you know, big to one point, and then I like it flat to one point, which is fine for me. in reference to that. But the fact that if I touch it too much when I want it like this and I touch it, oh boy, it's gonna be super, super big. So in reference to that, you really want to be careful with this hair when you do that. Now something happened to me the other day. I took the wig off because every couple of days, like every 2 or 3 days or so, I do go ahead and remove the wig, and I'll go ahead and clean it up and then put it back on, because I mean, you know, it is a lace front, like it's gonna get a little dirty. So I took the wig off and I went to wash it, and when I went to wash it, for some reason the nape was like a whole hair, it was just like clumped together. It was a matted mess, and surprisingly, when I went to wash it out and I put conditioner in it, it came out like nothing. But I was really shocked. I was really scared. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, I don't want to give y'all a bad review. So yeah, it was pretty bad. Like the matting that I seen was pretty bad. But when it came to washing it out, it completely just, I don't know, like it just untangled. It was so weird. I don't know what that was about, but I'm thankful that it did, you know, like just dissolve or whatever the hell it did. I'm thankful it just unknotted itself with the conditioner. So after that, I was a little scared. I was like, I hope this doesn't do this again. So I went ahead and I deep conditioned the wig. I just had it sit in the bag for about an hour to 2 hours, and I washed it out, and the hair has been fine ever since. I have not received any tangling to the nape at all. So there is no type of tangling on the nape since that. I really haven't had to deal with that. So maybe it could have been the product that I used from the day before, because I put a specific type of conditioner in it. It was a leave-in conditioner, and it was bad. It was so, like, the hair was so stiff. I was going like this, and the hair was not moving. And I was just like, what is you doing? So in reference to that, you want to be careful what products you put in it. Overall, I really like this hair. I would give Slove Rosa hair for this wig, my rating on this would be a 7 out of a 10. Okay, because I'm not gonna say that I don't like it. I like the lace. It looks really good. It looks really realistic. I like it. Oh, actually, the ends. So the ends, again, I did trim. So the ends are really pretty. Like, I really like the ends. But before I had trimmed them, I don't know if you guys seen in the unboxing video, if you looked at that video, it was dry, but it looked so like feathered out. It really didn't bother me at first, but when I put the wig on and I had about 2 days with it on without trimming it or anything, when it dried, I just didn't like I didn't like how it looked. So I did go ahead and trim it. It made a whole lot of a difference. It definitely made like a big difference with the hair and just the way the hair lays, and just the fact that I shaped it made it look better. So I would say definitely check the ends. You may need to trim it just a little bit if you are getting this wig. Besides that, the hair is really good. You know, I was a little startled at first with that whole washing and the matting that was going on in the back. I was a little startled with that, but I'm okay as of right now with the hair. So I think I will go ahead and do another update with this hair. It's gonna be a quick update. It's not gonna be too much because I have already spoke about the hair. You guys know the length, the luster, how it looks and everything. If something does change, that's what I'm gonna go ahead and update you guys with, okay? Another thing is in regards to shedding. We're still talking about cons here. In regards to shedding, the hair, when I washed it and it had that whole matting going on, it started shedding like it was crazy. So I don't know if it was from the lace in the front. I don't know where it was coming from. All I know is it was not breaking off, so it wasn't brittle. It was coming from the root, like the whole strand was coming out. So in reference to that, I don't know exactly what happened with that, but I would definitely say to look out for that. But that's about it for the hair. There's really nothing more about the hair that I can say. Everything else is good. I wouldn't even talk about the density because they didn't give a percentage as to how much the density was. It looks like it could be 120, probably 130 if anything, but it definitely is thick and it's a lot of hair, so you're definitely getting what it's worth. If you did not take a look at the unboxing video, I'm gonna tell you the price right now. I did pay $181 exact. The shipping was free to get it sent to me. You know, I shared that with you guys, just being honest. If you guys have any questions, if you want me to review any hair vendors for you guys, I will be happy to go ahead and do so. Again, I am purchasing this with my own money. However, I did let them know that I'm going to go ahead and do a review on them in regards to this hair. So once again, if you like this video, please stay tuned for more. I'm happy to have you. Definitely comment down below and let me know what you like and what you would like me to review. You guys are awesome. Love you guys. Bye.